Welcome to the spoken tutorial on panels in Marble. In this tutorial, we will learn about panels and settings in panels. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.8.3. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20. To follow this tutorial, learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. I have already opened the Marble interface. Let us drag the boundary to see the left panel clearly. We will begin with Search panel. Using this panel, we can search different places on the globe. Next we have Location. Click on it. This panel shows location and position tracking of a place. Let us click on Routing panel. This panel shows possible routes and gives driving instructions. Then we have Map View panel. It has a globe view and a drop-down to show various views. Globe view is the default view. It shows a 3D model of the Earth. Next to the globe view, we have a drop-down button. Click on the drop-down button. This drop-down button has a combination of 2D and 3D views of the Earth. For example, Mercator view and Flat view are 2D views. Mnemonic view, Stereographic view, and others are 3D views. Details about each of these views are available in the additional material link of this tutorial. Let us go back to the default view. In the Earth drop-down button, we have Earth and Moon views. Click on the Moon view. This is the Moon's view. Let me zoom in and rotate the Moon. We can see bright and dark regions on the surface of the Moon. Bright region is called Lunar Highlands. Dark regions are called Mare. Apart from these, we can also see the satellites like Apollo 12, Apollo 14, Apollo 16, and others. We will learn more about the Moon's view in the upcoming tutorials. Click on the Moon drop-down and select Earth. Marble has various map views of the Earth. Atlas is the default map view. I will scroll down to show different map views. Let us click on each of these map views to see them on the right panel. OpenStreetMap, Satellite view, Earth at night, and others. Let us go back to the default map view. Next panel is Legend. Click on it. This panel contains symbols that show different features on the map. For example, populated places, urban areas, terrain, places of interest, boundaries, and others. The symbols used to represent a feature in all maps are universal. For example, rivers are always represented by blue lines. If we see black and red triangles in a location, it means that place has mountains and volcanoes. In addition to these default panels, Marble has 3 more panels. Those panels are hidden by default. Hidden panels are available in the Settings menu. Click on the Settings menu and select Panels. A sub-menu shows all the panels. Here we can see that Routing, Location, Search, Map View, and Legend panels are selected by default. Files, Edit Maps, and Tour panels are not selected. Let me show these three panels by clicking them one by one. Click on Files. Again go to Settings menu and select Panels. Click on Edit Maps. Similarly, I will open the Tour panel. Notice that all the panels are seen on the interface. Let us go to Edit Maps and click on it. Using this panel, we can edit maps. This panel has Add Place Mark, Add Polygon, Add Path, Add Ground Overlay, and other icons. Next is Tour panel. Click on it. This panel gives quick access of our search history on the map. It has New Tour, Open Tour, Save Tour, and other icons. Now click on Files panel. Files panel contains the databases of the marble. It has a collection of geodata documents. Geodata document means geographic datasets of various types available in a common file. Let me scroll down to show the geodata documents. It has the database of cities, mountains, volcanoes, and oceans. As an assignment, locate mountains in Africa and Europe. Hint: use the Legend panel. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learnt about panels and settings in panels. The video at the following link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries on this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for watching.